Back in the garage on this beautiful Saturday. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot. I'm outside today because it's such a beautiful day. I have the door off. I'm getting ready to sandblast it. I'm going to move the car back inside, turn it around, move it back inside. The wiring harness was a real pain to get loose. I had to take the glove box out and some stuff in the dash loose. Couldn't get my hand up in there very easily, and I said, well, I'll just take the window regulator out. So I took the window regulator loose. Two of the pop rivets were broke anyway. That's why that door glass jumped up and down, rolling it up and down, so it needed new window regulator rivets. Got the wiring harness out from behind the window regulator. Then the stupid thing, the plugs wouldn't go through the hole in the door itself, so back to cramming my hand up underneath the dash to get that plug undone. Aggravating thing, but I got it, so that's all for today. I pulled her inside to do some priming. I blocked the top of the quarter panel after I got the convertible top molding off. Now I'm going to put a couple of coats of primer on it, and then I'll block it Tuesday night and reprime the whole quarter. Okay, got 2 coats of primer on the quarter panel, ready to block, and I'll reprimer Tuesday evening.